With a slam. Nothing better for you. Arvin Santos come in. First 2 points. Yes, by Derrick Rose. And Kobe Bryant has the ball. It's the ball for Hughes. And he might just have a few tonight.
Huh?
Such an athletic guy. He should have been on that first play. Okay, here's Sanito. You're passed up against Gabriel McGee. What do you do? You call for help. It's really bad. The thing for Sanito, one thing you have to remember, he has 6 fouls. Ganit marami naman yung PCA selection eh. Diba, 16 yan. Alright, here's Jason Castro and Arvin. Turns around. Oh my gosh. 2-point game para sa PCA selection. And Kevin Durant almost bobbled to the basketball. He scores his first field goal. The one thing is,